So I'll head over to the shop, show you some of the projects we did this week. Just show you an overall view of all the different projects we worked on. And there was one video we put out this week. This will show just the other stuff we worked on but didn't get completed. So here in the shop, we just got the Western Star just parked in here because we got to use it, I think, Sunday night or Monday morning. On this, we dropped a video just the other day on this truck here, 379 day cab Pete. I think it's around an 01 or an 03. I'll have to look. Got it pretty much prepped for paint. Had it soda blasted. Got the fenders mounted. In that video, you'll see where they had corrosion here, so we took some aluminum off another truck cab we have. Started doing a little taping for getting ready for the paint. And then over here we had the same issue right here. So like I said, that video dropped just I think it was yesterday or the day before. So still got a lot of work to do that one, but it's coming along. We still have not done really anything with the 01, besides we did have it soda blasted. So it was really cold out that day, which you'll see in the video. But so he soda blasted everything that was kind of crucial to being done, and then all the rivets and everything. But there was a few spots where he got really cold. So the stuff that's easy to sand, we let the guy go home. It was brutal out there. It was not nice. So besides that, this truck we're going over here to now, this is the truck we did a lot of work on this week. It's not a fancy, like, total redo job, but we had a guy that actually is driving one of our trucks right now. He wanted to buy a truck. We bought this truck for him to buy, and it's just short hood Pete. It's an 04. We just put he wanted bull hauler. I don't know what way to go. He wanted bull hauler stacks on it, so this is what we did. New LED lights, polished rims, new virgin rubber, painted the frame. We're gonna do step covers yet. We'll do those Monday, so I'll have step covers put on it, and we'll finish this video. We'll finish another video with the stuff we've done on it. Put in the LED lights. And up there we put, the windshields were leaking and looked horrible, so we're throwing new windshields in, and we filmed doing it, and it was a pain in the ass. And that window, we were putting it together and it ripped out. So we're waiting. Monday will be another seal here for that, or another actual whole windshield with the seal already in it. I'll show you a few of the other things we've done with this truck this week. So, you got an elite seat in here. It had the rubber floor, so we put carpet in it. We've been in and out here putting the windshield in, so it's gotten a little dirty, but Eddie thought it was funny, so he made his own mats, floor mats, with Peterbilt logo in them, out of cardboard. But up here's the one windshield in, one windshield out now. I don't know if you can see much, but obviously a new mattress will be going in. And that's the inside we've been working on. Like I say, bull hauler exhaust 7-inch. He wanted 7s and the bull haulers, so that was his choice. Up top, he's still got the incandescents. Probably run him for a little while with those, but then we're going to switch them to the clear. I believe in the future he's wanting to paint his fenders blue, and I think he wants to do his roof cap on the cab and the bunk blue also. So in the winter time, the wash, it gets becomes a lot more work. Today I think it's still in the negatives, right around 0 to -4. We have to run, to thaw out the trailers, to run hot water, gets them steamed up, gets everything loosened up off the floor and the edges because it'll be froze solid. And then we start rinsing. Right now we're still thawing this trailer. That one was frozen cattle shit. We finally got it loosened up and it's about done. We'll try showing some different progress on some of these trailers throughout the day. So, for instance, here's a frozen hog trailer. Only has about 4 loads on it. It's not that bad, but when it's 0 or negatives out, everything freezes. It's been sitting in here for just a little bit, loosen up. We're having a problem with one of our power washers right now. So we can only heat one trailer at a time. The other trailer was in first, so we're heating that one. But as you can tell, it's frozen. So what that does is we use if we don't thaw it out, we use way too much volume of water that goes out to our lagoon, and then would fill us up too quick in the winter to where we'd have to shut down before spring. So by using the hot water that comes out of the power washers, getting everything just steamed up and loosened up, it flushes right out real quick. That's kind of how we do things here. So even frozen cattle trailers, it's still tough, takes time, and we still got to scoop. But that hot water really loosens it up after thawing out. All these trailers, like hog trailers, almost always in the winter still go out at our minimum price because the hot water makes it come out that quick. Frozen cattle trailers, it just runs off time, and it varies on each truck and if they have any salt in it, or if they have wood chips in. Wood chips will allow the water to penetrate down into it and loosen it up a little easier. But if it's just solid cow shit that's very watery, it'll be like a skating rink in there, and it's really, really hard to get out. But yeah, I'll show you a few more things here. Days like today, with the doors not always going down all the way because it just freezes up on the edges, and it brings it up half inch or quarter inch. A lot of air comes in that way, and then up there, because that sets it up, it makes it to where it pulls the door back from the wall a little bit. So we lose a lot of air there too. It's just wintertime, it's really tough to keep things warm, and it costs a lot of money in heat. So beyond that, we also picked up a 386 Peterbilt last week. Last weekend, my brother picked it up. Maybe it was 2 weeks ago. Can't even remember anymore. But it's sitting outside because we were doing some cleaning in the shop today. But all we're waiting for now is the grill. It is smashed, and that is over $1,500. So we're trying to find a used one that is not horrible. I don't know if you can see much about this truck. Painted the frame, polished the wheels. Didn't have to do a lot to this truck, but it will be for sale here probably in the next week or two. I believe it's got an ISX Cummins in it. I believe. Don't quote me 100%. And then I'll show the inside here. Like I say, here's the truck. We got it's got good rubber all the way around. Wheels are polished. Got the top hats on it. Frame's been painted. Front wheel's done. Good steer tires. Pretty much new. That's that horrible grill. We just got to get that thing mangled. But like I say, for $1,500, I probably would have done the same thing and just saved it if I was just driving it. So this truck will be for sale probably in the next couple weeks. I'm not sure exactly the price. My brother's the one that handles the trucks, but for the sales, I'm pretty sure this truck has paperwork on the engine. So I don't know any details until I talk to him. I'll post those at a later date. But this truck, I believe he's going to be around $30,000 on that truck. But anybody has any questions, they can call, and I'll get you the full details. Otherwise, in a future video, probably next week, I'll have all the details on it, and then you should know everything. So other than that, it is Saturday. We're waiting for a couple trailers that are still supposed to come in to wash, and then we should be able to enjoy the weekend. Thanks for watching. Check out McDonaldChromeShop.com for any chrome needs you need. Anything that is not listed on our site, because we're still building it, it's taking time. But anything you need that you see on anybody else's site out there, just call us at 712-652-3834, and I will look it up, get it. We can get it sent to you, or email me at McDonaldChromeShop@iCloud.com. We can get any chrome accessory that you're needing. We can get even if it's not on our site. If you're interested in shirts, hoodies, anything like that, hats, let us know. They're on the website. Not all the colors are on there yet, but we can order anything you want. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know. Give us a comment, a like. We also today, on Saturday, we had a couple kids from Rochester, Minnesota area. They bought some window chops for their, I think it was their dad's Kenworth, and bought, they got a bunch of shirts, hats. But they've been watching all the videos, and thanks for them for coming down. Anybody ever wants to stop by, they're more than welcome to.
Driving a truck in the winter. Why use outdated halogen or standard LED headlights that are constantly covered with snow and ice? You need something that performs better. Trucks Accessories has the perfect solution. Introducing our brand new heated LED projector headlights, available in both low beam and high beam. Truck's revolutionary LED projector headlights feature quick heat technology and automatic heat activation, using sensors to detect the outside temperature. When the sensor reads 3 degrees Celsius or less, elements quickly heat up to melt any buildup. Our unique flat surface lens allows any snow or ice to slide off fast and efficiently, leaving no obstructions blocking your visibility. Truck's projector LED technology is 4 times brighter than halogen lights and twice as bright as standard LED lights, and provide a wide and even beam of brilliant bright light. Truck's lower half-moon shaped beam pattern meets stringent DOT standards, whereas the competition uses a full moon beam pattern, which is not compliant because the upper portion of the beam may blind oncoming traffic. With an IP67 waterproof rating, a heavy-duty polycarbonate lens, and an aluminum die-cast housing, these heated headlights are built to endure the toughest conditions. Designed to last and backed with the longest warranty on the market at 7 years. So choose Trucks heated headlights, because winter is coming. For more information or to find a local distributor, please visit our website at truxaccessories.com.